Elaine has arrived. Here they come. Here comes the new lodgers. I wonder if they'll notice we're here.
No.
Good morning. We've just had a hefty breakfast and this morning we're off to Southbank. We're going to have a look at Big Ben because it no longer has its scaffolding. It's been covered in scaffolding since its refurbishment, is that what you call it? Since its refurbishment. It's been in scaffolding for about 5 years, so it'd be nice to see it in all its glory. We're walking across the bridge and we're going to walk all the way along, which will eventually take us to Southbank and also past the London Eye. Across the bridge and catch up with the guys. They've left one behind this morning. Hello, fellow Ooh, please. Thanks, Em. Cool, this will be tangy on the tongue. This is London Bridge. Great name for a bridge, but not very exciting to look at. London even has its own beach when the river's a bit out. London Eye is popular today. another glorious afternoon in London. But there's always something new to see when you come to London. We never get bored when we're here. Back on dry land, Tower of London. Back at where our journey started, Tower Bridge. Tower of London to our left, Tower Bridge to our right.